Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Health Unlock Show. We are here with Tavleen Kaur, who is my colleague and a senior nutrigenomics expert at Unlock.fit. So, I straight away have some questions for you. Um, Tell me one thing, Tavleen. We would really like to know why so many people, young people especially, are having heart issues.
Yeah, that's become so common these days. I mean, from 13 years old to 30-year-olds, 40-year-olds. Now, we are saying that it is just not about the age, right?
Yeah.
It is the heart attack is not about, people who are in 50s and their 60s, right? I mean, I would like to share a case with you recently itself, right? So a 33-year-old, right, a guy who works in IT again, right, and goes to the gym 5 times a week
Mm,
and then suddenly rushes to the emergency one morning, right, because
mm,
he's experienced chest pain, etc. Blood reports, all of them, they show like complete normal readings, right? There's no problem as such, but suddenly there are certain underlying silent factors that are causing these heart attacks, right? And we'll be discussing that in the entire podcast, right? So just to name a few, you have your sugar, your poor sleep, your
mm.
pollution, then you have your gut health, then there's inflammation, right? There are so many factors which we do not think of are directly causing us problem, but they do, right? So that is one thing that we'll discuss further in the podcast. But yes, this is one reason why most of the young adults are actually catching on to the problem of cardiovascular disease, right? And then you hear a lot of it in the news.
तो एक बात बताइए why we are having so many cases of heart issues. Issues तो समझ में आते हैं and then we try and deal with them. But I'm sure there must be some clues, silent clues, quiet clues जिनको हम
Mhm.
देख सकते हैं. हम ऐसा क्या करें as layman, as
Mhm.
normal people? We are not experts, right? So as people who are not experts, what should they watch for? वो किस चीज का ख्याल रखें?
Amazing question, right? So definitely, you suddenly never get a heart attack, right? It's a
हम्म,
process. It's a slow process. Body बहुत अच्छी machinery है, right? Again, as I'm going to keep saying that again and again. Body is a marvelous machine, right? अब वो suddenly आपको heart attack नहीं आएगा, right? There are certain physical cues that you need to look forward for, right? What are those? You're always tired. आप उठ रहे हो, आप थके हुए हो, आप, you're working, there's lethargy, there's so much fatigue. There's one thing that you need to absolutely take care of, right? If you're constantly fatigued for like months and months, you need to go and see a doctor, right? You at least get a blood test done and like visit your healthcare practitioner also. Whatever works best for you, आपको आपके डॉक्टर के पास जाके एक बार कंसल्ट करना चाहिए. Whenever you're climbing the stairs and you're feeling breathlessness,
हम्म,
right? That's one problem. जब आपका circulation problem हो रहा है, that, right? You cannot sleep properly, right? So usually we say कि midnight, 2 o'clock, right? So 12 to 2, you should be absolutely in a deep sleep, right? 2 o'clock is when you should enter deep sleep and stay in it for at least 1.5 hour, right? So this time when your sleep is disturbed, again, one of the major reasons and one of the major physical cues that your heart health is not okay. And then you do not understand the reason of being anxious.
हम्म.
आपको घबराहट हो रही है, right? And you're like, why is this happening to me? Sudden uneasiness. Why is that happening? That is again one of the major physical cues, right? So you being anxious, you being constantly fatigued, you're not able to sleep properly, you're getting breathless when you're climbing up the stairs. These are the physical cues that you need to look for, right? And what we practice functional medicine and हमारा nutrigenomics, right? इसमें ये सब चीजें common नहीं है, right? These are the red flags. आप अपने practitioner के पास जाके if you tell them that this is what I'm facing, they'll definitely order functional test, right? They'll ask you to get your blood tests done, understand that why is this happening, right? Because these are the underlying causes, and this is your heart screaming for help, right? Ki, listen, I'm not able to function properly, you need to take care of these things, right? So again, testing will be something that will be suggested by the doctors, and you have to visit the doctor. You have to take that first step and visit the doctor once you experience all of these symptoms that we just listed.
वंडरफुल, वेरी क्रिस्प. थैंक्स तवलीन फॉर दैट. तो एक बात बताइए, अगर वो इश्यूज हो रहे हैं मेरे साथ या किसी भी व्यूअर के साथ, तो उस इंसान के लिए कौन सी वो तीन बड़ी चीजें हैं जिसका उसको ध्यान रखना है? थ्री बिग एनिमीज ऑफ हार्ट हेल्थ.
ये फिजिकल क्यूज क्यों आते हैं इज व्हाट वी अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? जो आपके तीन बिग एनिमीज है ऑफ द हार्ट हेल्थ आर बेसिकली, सो वी यूजुअली ब्लेम इट टू कोलेस्ट्रॉल या फैमिली हिस्ट्री,
हम्म.
right? They'll say that, my cholesterol is okay, I am fine, which is not true these days. A 13-year-old, what would you expect cholesterol levels to be, right? उनके cholesterol levels इतने high नहीं होते.
Correct.
right? So cortisol is not the functional marker anymore. You need to pair it up with different tests and all also, ठीक है? और आपका family history है अगर, तो that is just telling you that you are at a higher risk, right? But again, you have to take care of certain things, right? जो तीन चीजें जो हमेशा exactly ध्यान रखना है, and these three will result in the physical cues that we spoke about in the previous question, are first, chronic inflammation. आपका कभी इन्फ्लेमेशन बॉडी में है राइट, व्हेनेवर यू स्क्रैच एंड यू सी अ रेड मार्क पॉपिंग अप और यू सी स्लाइट स्वेलिंग पॉपिंग अप, राइट? सो अगर इजीली इन्फ्लेम्ड है बॉडी और HSCRP लेवल्स कभी एलिवेटेड आ रहे हैं, सो यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस क्रोनिक इन्फ्लेमेशन. क्रोनिक इन्फ्लेमेशन क्या होता है? इट्स लाइक फायर इन द आर्टरीज एंड द वेन्स. वो आपकी आर्टरीज को स्टिकी बना देती हैं, रफ बना देती हैं, तो योर ब्लड क्लॉट्स देयर, एंड देन अगेन इफ योर ब्लड इज क्लॉटिंग, ब्लड फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है टुवर्ड्स द हार्ट, देन यू गेट अ हार्ट अटैक, राइट? तो इसमें chronic inflammation is something that you need to take care of. Second is insulin resistance. अब insulin resistance बहुत सारे लोग समझेंगे कि it is only related to diabetes, right? Which is not true.
बिल्कुल.
आपकी बॉडी हैंडल कर पा रही है, नहीं कर पा रही है, कितने एक्सटेंट तक हैंडल कर पा रही है, इज व्हाट इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस हेल्प्स अस अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? तो अगेन इसके भी फंक्शनल टेस्ट्स होते हैं, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दोस. एंड इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस के साथ ये होता है कि आपकी बॉडी आपके ग्लूकोज को स्टोर करना चालू कर देती है इवन इन योर आर्टरीज, right? So fat स्टोर हो ही रहा है, ग्लूकोज भी स्टोर होएगा in form of fat, and then your arteries, there's no space, again higher blood pressure resulting into cardiac arrest, right? Eventually that progress. And the third thing is that you really need to take care of is your cortisol and your chronic stress. आपका जो cortisol होता है वो बेसिकली आपके बीपी को बढ़ाता है, आपका स्ट्रेस होता है वो आपके ब्लड प्रेशर को बढ़ाता है, which puts you in a fight and flight mode, right? Your heart is working extra hard. For example, if you're afraid of dogs, right? If you have a phobia of certain things, right? आप उनको देखते हो, you suddenly feel that heart rush, right? Your heart pumps faster, correct? So that is again your hormones causing that, right? तो again ये fight and flight में constantly अगर आप रह रहे हो, that is causing problem, right? So three things that you definitely need to take care of are the biggest enemies of your heart health is chronic inflammation. वो आपको उसका ध्यान रखना होगा, इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस का ध्यान रखना होगा, एंड कॉर्टिसोल एंड क्रोनिक स्ट्रेस का ध्यान रखना होगा, राइट? All of these three will require a blood test and a DNA test complementary with it, which is going to give you amazing, appropriate, personalized, and precise answers to what is happening with your heart.
So ये जो आपने तीन चीजें बताई, they are very useful, very important, और आपने ये भी बता दी कि blood test और genetic test, which is a DNA test, needs to be done to basically help us understand where exactly a person stands. लेकिन कुछ ऐसे भी चीजें हमने सुनी हैं या ऐसे फैक्टर्स सामने आए हैं जिनको हम ध्यान ही नहीं देते हैं, जिनके बारे में बात नहीं होती है, लेकिन they are also creating a problem.
Again, a very nice question, right? So understand कि हमने तीन broad categories को समझ लिया, chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, and then you also have your cortisol and stress, right? इन तीन categories में आपके environment में आसपास क्या और segregate होता है is what we will also put a light on, right? Air pollution, right? हम बहुत ज्यादा बात कर रहे हैं एयर पोल्यूशन के बारे में कि पोल्यूशन इज समथिंग विच इज कॉजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? अगेन एयर पोल्यूशन इज समथिंग लाइक स्मोकिंग इटसेल्फ. आप बहुत ज्यादा स्मोक करोगे, इवन इफ यूर actively smoking or passively smoking, that causes problem.
True.
ये प्रॉब्लम क्यों होता है? क्योंकि पहली बात तो आपके पोल्यूशन के जो टॉक्सिन्स है दैट गेट्स थ्रू योर पाथवे, नेजल पाथवे जाते हैं, एंड देन थिकन्स योर ब्लड, राइट? सो आपका हो गया तो इट इज नॉट फ्लोइंग वेरी इजीली. सेकेंड, ये कुछ जो आपके पोल्यूशन में मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, दे कैन ऑल्सो इंक्रीज इन्फ्लेमेशन, right, in the body, right? जैसे हमने inflammation के बारे में अभी बात किया. Again, whenever either your blood is clogging at a place which can cause a heart attack, या आपका blood बहुत thick हो गया, easy movement नहीं हो रहा है, which is going to cause an heart attack, or the size of the arteries is narrowing down because इसमें deposition हो रहा है, that can also cause an heart attack, right? So first of all, air pollution. There is one term called as PM 2.5.
Yes.
Right? The size of the particles that you can inhale easily and can go to the bloodstream, right? इसमें एक चीज और आती है which is called as microplastics. When we recommend our users कि plastics use करना बंद कर दो, which is also causing heart attacks, right? People are detecting those plastics in the blood of people, these cases where there are young deaths of the young in terms of heart attacks, right? उसमें microplastics they're finding that out. That again comes into the category of PM 2.5, right? So you have to ensure कि आप pollution, again, air pollution से तो दूर रह रहे हो, but you're also ensuring that you're not polluting your home, right? So avoid plastics. This is something that you can definitely take care of. Avoid charred food. जो भी black deposition tandoori food में होता है, that is something that you need to completely avoid because this is again a type of toxin that is entering your body, right? So these things you need to take care of. You are not even realizing that they're contributing towards your heart health, right? So completely take care of that. Then another thing that people do not really realize is excessive screen time.
That's a big
So
issue. Mhm.
that's a very big issue. And most of, now your phones, they give you a report that how much, screen time you've been, how much time you've put in your
Yeah.
screen, right? And then you have this analysis chart, which is very, very useful. And, we should actually monitor that. But you'll see that unknowingly आप at least 5 hours plus तो screen के सामने हो. Right?
बिल्कुल।
It's either your phone, either your laptop, anything, right? Your desktop, कुछ कोई भी टाइप की स्क्रीन के सामने आप हो,
हम्म।
right? ब्लू लाइट जो होती है इनमें से सब जो ब्लू लाइट आती है दैट इज सेट टू हैम्पर योर सर्काडियन रिदम you won't be sleeping properly, your hormones are something which will be impacted, and then again this is all causing and contributing towards the risk of heart attack, right? जैसे हमने cortisol और stress के बारे में बात किया था. Okay. Then because of this screen time also, usually people would think, this is their time, right? Me time, so-called me time. You would go back home and, put on Netflix and chill. But that is something which is the biggest problem because, you are sleep deprived the next day,
Yeah.
right? So sleeping is something which is very, very crucial, right? So sleep is like, it is healing your body at night, right? So
Yes.
every night your body goes through a repair cycle, right? वो रिपेयर होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपकी स्लीप प्रॉपर नहीं है तो आपके ब्लड प्रेशर इश्यूज होते हैं. यू हैव वर्सन इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस बिकॉज यू वुड क्रेव फॉर एनीथिंग which is either sweet or salty at night, right? This is something that is absolutely going to happen, right? तो वो you completely avoid by sleeping on time, right? You fix your circadian rhythm. This is something which is very important. So sleep deprivation नहीं होना चाहिए and late nights भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Completely, you should completely and completely avoid that, right? There are studies जिन्होंने दिखाया है कि आप रात को सोने से पहले, so suppose you're having your dinner, just ensure that the lights around you are minimal because आप उससे क्या होता है, हमारा जो sleep inducing hormone होता है वो activate होता है, right? And then you're able to sleep properly, right? So जिसको downtime बोलते हैं, right? Even our phones, they have an option of downtime now, right? So your messages, they are not coming to you उतने speed में जितना rapidly आते हैं, etc. So
Correct.
downtime is something you should be practicing in your real life as well, right? Then again, the way we started this podcast, ki, young people hitting the gym and then suddenly dying of cardiac arrests, right? तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, हम ज्यादा एफिशिएंट रहेंगे, विल बी मूविंग मोर, तो हमारा हार्ट हेल्थ और अच्छा रहेगा, which is not necessarily true. Everything in moderation is the key, right? So you have to just ensure that you're exercising in moderation and give the variety, right? So your heart needs variety, give it that variety, right? So too much exercise can also spike up inflammation. हम देखते हैं कि बहुत सारे athletes के साथ भी inflammation बहुत spike हो जाता है after they work out, right? So there is a rise in inflammation after working out. You need proper recovery. So for people, कि हम DNA टेस्ट में भी पता कर सकते हैं कि आपका रिकवरी टाइम कितना है. People who have recovery, उनके लिए you have to understand that you have to give proper breaks. So you do not have to go for like 7 days a week, right? You go for 4 days a week or 3 days a week, which will give you much faster and better results,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So it's more about smart working than hard working nowadays, and we should be adapting to that, right? In terms of our health also.
एब्सोल्युटली एंड आई फुल्ली एग्री बिकॉज मैं अपने बारे में बताऊं अगर तो मेरे साथ क्या होता है कि मैंने आज एक्सरसाइज की अच्छे से आज एक्सरसाइज की देन नेक्स्ट डे I would like to do light exercise just to keep the movement going instead of continuing with the intensive training. और उसके नेक्स्ट डे जब मैं करता हूँ फिर मैं इंटेंसिव पर आ जाता हूँ. इससे मुझे जो लगता है आई फील मोर एनर्जेटिक. Earlier, I used to be on intensive training all 5 days in a week, let's say. And I would feel lethargic through the week. As the week progresses, मेरी थकान बढ़ती थी. So probably the recovery was not happening and I was putting pressure on my body, right?
True.
So I think everybody is, for example, मेरे DNA टेस्ट में मुझे पता है मेरी जो बॉडी टाइप है वो क्या है. उसके लिए मुझे बताया गया है, मेरे जो ट्रेनर ने बताया बेस्ड ऑन माय DNA टेस्टिंग कि मुझे जो है हैवी वेट लिफ्टिंग नहीं करनी है. लाइट वेट लिफ्टिंग से ही विद मोर रेपिटेशंस, दैट्स माय बॉडी टाइप.
Yes.
इट विल डू
Yes. Yes.
वंडरफुल थिंग्स फॉर मी एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम फॉलोइंग. कोई और हो सकता है जैसे कोई और पर्सन उसके लिए हैवी वेट लिफ्टिंग हो सकता है रिकमेंडेशन विद लेस रिपीटेशंस बिकॉज द बॉडी टाइप इज डिफरेंट। तो आपने जब कहा तो इट इमीडिएटली रेजोनेटेड विद मी तवलीन की हमारी बॉडी टाइप्स अलग हैं, अकॉर्डिंगली हमारी एक्सरसाइज शेड्यूल भी अलग होना चाहिए, रेजिम भी अलग होना चाहिए।
So blindly do not follow anybody, right? These
Okay.
things can backfire at you at any point, right?
Hmm.
We have so much knowledge around us. Abhi Instagram is full of knowledge, or LinkedIn is full of knowledge. People are putting up things that, this has worked for them, that has worked for them. You have to understand to put that filter and then understand that what is working for you, what is not working for you. Blindly, we cannot follow everything, right? आपके लिए सब कुछ नहीं बना है, right? So understand that what is made for you and work accordingly, right? So yeah, same thing applies to diets as well. Fancy diets, right? So people would go on keto, people would, take low carb, low fat, intermittent fasting, etc. Understand that if a body is not metabolizing certain things, it will not process in the same way. You will not see the, correct or desired results that are, expected out of that diet. So वो diets को भी ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. Infections आजकल बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं. उसका भी, they have an impact on, your heart health, right? Because again, infection is basically inflammatory in nature. Inflammation travels throughout the body. कहीं पे भी एक जगह stuck नहीं होता है, right? So that infection, gut related infection हो गया. So even if you have like food poisoning or you have any, cough and cold, any type of infection is inflammatory in nature, which really will put you in a problem in terms of your heart health, right? And इसको you have to completely ensure कि ये बार बार repetitive तरीके से ना हो रहा हो आपको. If your immune system is weak, again, take care of it. वैसे भी COVID and all have made us realize that it's your own body that is going to work for you, right? No medication will help you at any point of time, right?
Hmm.
So immunity is something that you need to really improvise, right? That is like one more pointer. And I think napping, recent
Yes.
studies have showed that, napping is something which is absolutely amazing. So you take a nap and then please take it without guilt, right? Because a 20-minute nap in the afternoon is something which is going to give you amazing, amazing heart health, right? So I mean, probably, there are corporates that are actually employing this, right? So they would probably give a 20-minute break after lunch. You have your lunch and you nap, and then, you
Yes.
come back to work, and which is good, right? Because at the same time, you're developing yourself and you're taking care of your heart health as well, right? So overall, just to summarize that, air pollution is something which is definitely causing problem. Your screen time, excessive screen time is something which I wouldn't recommend. Sleep, take care of your sleep like, anything. It is the most precious thing and it's going to help you so much, right? Exercise and diet has to be recommended according to you, and what works for you is only going to come from a DNA report, right?
Correct.
Proper, precise results, right? And then again, seasonal infections, develop your immunity, it has to be taken care of. And napping is a holy grail, right? So sleep, as I said, if you take a 20-minute nap, it is going to be amazing for you.
On the napping part, very quickly, we see young students, right, who are preparing for competitive exams, right? उनकी दिन भर की जो शेड्यूल देखेंगे आप, it's hugely packed. And
Correct.
रात में भी they sleep very late and they get up very early in the morning. So they are hardly getting 4 hours sleep because they are very young. It's not showing up so quickly. But as you rightly mentioned, Tavleen, this is our request to parents. Please make sure that your kids are sleeping enough. It's important for their heart health, of course, and it's important for everybody, but it is also important for their growth.
Absolutely.
ग्रोथ। अगर स्लीप ठीक नहीं होगी तो ग्रोथ में कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आ जाएंगी। सो तवलीन, ये तो समझ में आ रहा है प्रॉब्लम्स क्या हैं, उसकी रूट कॉज क्या है आज के दौर में। तो अब ये भी आप हमें बताइए कि क्या कर सकते हैं अपनी हार्ट हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए। सिंपल इजी टू डू थिंग्स जो कि हमारे व्यूअर्स उसको अडॉप्ट कर पाए।
Absolutely. Right. So सबसे पहले to start eating real, right? I mean, you have to ensure that, you are eating normal, real food, right? That nothing fancy, right? You have your normal balanced meal, things that you can pronounce, things that you have been eating, your body has a memory of it, just eat real, right? Ensure that, you have a lot of colors in your plate. Colorful plate is the best plate, right? शुगर को थोड़ा सा डिच करेंगे, right? And slowly and gradually, right? Because otherwise you're going to crave for sugar more, right? Slowly and gradually you'll probably go off sugar. Your body will thank you. Your energy levels will be amazing. These are the two dietary tips that I would give. Then we have sleep. right? Up time se so again, very, very important. Turn the lights off. Ensure that you're sleeping in a dark and a cold room, right? So the deep sleep, that is what happens, right? It really helps. So whenever you have no light around, there's no visual, I mean, there's no sensory, disturbance in terms of light. That is much better. And you sleep well in a colder and a darker room, right? So that is something that you should practice. Then have the ability to show up for yourself in terms of tests, in terms of going up to the doctors,
हम्म,
ensuring that you questioning that ये क्यों हो रहा है मुझे. Everything
हम्म,
that happens to you has an underlying reason behind it, right? So again, as we discussed earlier, कि आपको even if you're feeling lethargic, या फिर आपको लग रहा है कि you want to sleep after every meal that you've had, right? तो वो सब चीज़ों पे do not just let them go or pass by. These
हम्म,
are the things that you need to speak about, and these are the things that you need to actually understand कि ये क्यों हो रहा है. That is where we come for root cause analysis, right? So understand that advanced testing is something which is very important. It is the most preventative way to go about it, right? So you test for HSCRP levels, you test for lipoproteins, you test for your lipid profile, you test HbA1c, again your insulin resistance और आपका blood sugar levels आपको समझ में आएगा उससे. Fasting insulin भी test कराओ. And then if your gut health is not proper, none of this is going to matter, right? So अपना gut health का ध्यान रखना is very important, right? So these things are few things that you should be taking care of on top of my mind. And these are very actionable things, right? आप easily कर सकते हो. Eat a rainbow diet, sleep well on time, ditch the sugar, processed and packaged food जो salt है उसको थोड़ा सा avoid करेंगे. Go for the tests, do not avoid them. Anything that your body is telling you, you have to listen to it, you have to be vigilant about it. आप अपनी body को ढंग से सुनो कि वो क्या
हम्म,
कहना चाह रही है आपसे, and then take actions on it. And gut health is the most important thing. आपका सारा nutrition वहां से absorb हो रहा है,
हम्म।
पूरी body में जा रहा है. If it is not functioning properly, no nutrition is being absorbed, right? So these are the few pointers that you should really take care of.
ब्रिलियंट। तवलीन, तो अब आप ये बताइए, अभी तक जितनी चीज़ आपने बताई हमारे व्यूवर्स को जो हम कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो टेस्ट हों या स्लीप हो या अपना खाने का हम ख्याल रखें, ऑल ऑफ दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। लेकिन हम ये भी जानते हैं कि जहाँ साइंटिस्ट्स रिसर्चर्स ने काम किया है हार्ट के ऊपर, पोइट्स ने भी हार्ट के ऊपर काम काम किया है, राइट? सो थोड़ा सा ये बताइए हमें, क्या फीलिंग्स का रोल है, क्या इमोशंस का रोल है हमारे हार्ट हेल्थ में या नहीं?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean,
हम्म,
आप अमेरिकन स्टडीज देखोगे, राइट? जहाँ पे पेरेंट्स, children are not living with their parents, neither with their siblings, right? You see वहाँ पे cardiovascular disease as an epidemic कब से चल रहा है? We haven't had, these conversations in India yet back then, right? People, have been talking about heart health in America for so long now. They've been blaming it for, your oils. Also come up in studies that loneliness is one of the biggest factors,
हम्म,
right? You need to have a community. You need to sit with people you love. You need to laugh it out. You need to take it, life. You need to take life easy, right? आप stress जितना ज़्यादा कम करोगे, it is going to be much, much better. So obviously, your emotions, your feelings, anger or stress, or, your sadness, grief, all of that, all of these emotions are associated with your heart health, right? So it's always advised कि आप या तो एक community बनाओ, right? You people around you, you should have people around you, right? So you should have your own community, and community is not always like 50, 60 people all together,
हम्म,
right? You can have 5 people who are you call yours, and then you sit with them, you laugh, and then you have fun. That is one thing that I would definitely recommend, right? In fact, most of the people would know about Okinawa, right? This is one place where, people sit and have meals together, right? So the disease rate, वहाँ पे longevity is for real, right? 100 years,
हम्म।
104 years, people are living and they're very happy, they're still working. All of that is something which is amazing. So apart from all of these, technical things, you need to be happy. You need to spend time with your people. This is something which is one of the biggest stress busters and, will really, really help you with your heart health.
एंड आई हैव फेल्ट इट माई सेल्फ। जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ होता हूँ, राइट, तो मेरा स्ट्रेस ही नहीं है, राइट।
Mm.
आई हैव समवन विद whom आई कैन जोक अराउंड, राइट, जिनसे मजाक कर सकता हूँ, लाफ कर सकता हूँ, एज यू मैंशनड, अपने दिल की बात कर सकता हूँ विदाउट एनी जजमेंट,
Mm.
यू नो, विदाउट फीलिंग कि अब ये इसके बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, राइट?
That-
And I think that's a very powerful thing that you said. Loneliness, for example, आपने कहा That's something that we need to avoid. So brilliant items there. Thank you. तो अब चलते चलते ये बताइए तवलीन, आपने इतनी नॉलेज हमसे शेयर की, विजडम शेयर की, कुछ हमें काम भी दीजिए आप। ठीक है? अगर
अच्छा।
हमें अपना हार्ट हेल्थ इंप्रूव करना है तो कोई चैलेंजेस आप हमें बताइए इंटरेस्टिंग जो हम कर सकते हैं।
आई थिंक एज वीव डिस्कस्ड, हमारे जितने भी हमने एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में बात किया, बीट इट बी पोल्यूशन, बीट इट बी स्लीप एक्सेट्रा, आई लेट यू चूज वन, राइट? आप या तो, इफ यू नो दैट यू आर नॉट मूविंग, you move, right? So I would say that, let's extend this challenge for 1 week. If you've not been moving, move for 5 minutes after every meal, right? If you are too much into the pollution or using too much plastic, go plastic free for a week, right? All of the pointers that we discussed earlier, right? You can pick one, and you probably just do it for a week and you'll see the difference, and we would love to hear about it again, right? So whatever you feel is one of the biggest thing that is lacking, right? You can probably practice that for a week and then come back and let us know that what are the changes that you've experienced. I would suggest napping, because 20 minute ka nap apne din mein lijiye. This is the best thing, right? So if you've been able to do that for a week, you let us know how well you feel.
Wow, that's super powerful tools that you have given us. Tavleen, thank you so much. Always scientific, yet simple and powerful wisdom and inputs that you have shared with us and with our viewers. To all my viewers, I would request you to join our community, the community that we have been talking about. There is a community that we have built for all the viewers and whoever wishes to take care of their health, overall health, not just the heart health. You can join our community and be part of the movement of Healthy India. You will also see the QR code for joining the community as we close our conversation towards the end. Thanks, Tavleen, once again, and thank you, viewers. Have a great day.